Tomato carrot soup. Peel all the vegetables and cut them into cubes. In a pot, add the oil, garlic, and saute for 30 seconds. Add the onion and saute until translucent. Add the tomatoes and cook for 3 more minutes. After this, add the carrots, water, and boil until the veggies are soft. Blend the veggies with a hand blender until fine paste. In a large pan, melt the butter, add the flour and mix. Gradually add the milk and mix until creamy. Add the veggies puree and mix. Condiment with ginger, black pepper, salt, and mix. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Add the cream and cook until bring to a boil. Serve it with croutons or parmesan. Bon appétit!